this will be our third box of the A minor pentatonic scale. But this time we have two chords that we're going to use as our reference to this third box of the A minor pentatonic scale. The first chord will be this shape of the C major chord, and the next one will be the A minor, but with this shape. The third box will be at the middle of those two chords. So it's better if you can play this chord first, then go to the box of the A minor pentatonic scale. So now here's the third box of the A minor pentatonic scale. As reference, you can play it first before you do the pentatonic scale. First finger on the 10th fret. Third finger on the 12th. Then on the 5th string, 10th fret, use your first finger again. Third finger on the 12th. So we got this. As usual, use this melodic pattern that I've told you. You can use any finger you like as long as you are comfortable playing it. And now we go to the next set of string. Use the second finger to press the 4th string, 10th fret. 12th fret using the 4th finger. On the 3rd string, 1st finger, 9th fret. 4th finger, 12th fret. So you got this. So all in all, we've got this. Now to the last set of strings. First finger, 2nd string, 10th fret. 4th finger, 2nd string, 13th fret. First finger, 10th fret, 1st string. 3rd finger, 12th fret, 1st string. You got this. So all in all, you've got this. That will be the third box of the A minor pentatonic scale. You have to combine any sets of strings you like from the first box, second box, with the third box. But first, you have to combine the same sets of strings. So let's try the 6th and the 5th string. And now, the 4th string and the 3rd string. Now, the last set of strings. you can combine from the first box to the third box. There you have it. Be sure to practice as often as you can, and I'll see you on the next video.